Okay.
Picture. Oh.
Now how much snow we got now?
At least 2 feet. I don't know.
Man. We got another 10 hours of this. Well, let's just hope the power stays on.
I know. Well, a lot of people are out of power in Montgomery County. It's, you know, good that they removed a bunch of the trees here. And Maxine's, I bet Maxine's house is out of power. This always goes out first and last to come back.
Well, fortunately, Maxine's not there.
Yeah, of course.
But we'll send her this video so that she can see what she missed.
Yeah. She called at like 6 a.m., but didn't hear the phone.
Well, she's in Thailand, so no snow there.